When it comes to houseplans, the Croquis designs truly stand out, especially for those who appreciate the convenience of one-level living. Imagine having everything you need on the same floor, no stairs to navigate, just seamless flow from room to room. This design philosophy caters to modern lifestyles while embracing classic aesthetics, making it a perfect fit for a wide range of tastes. One of the most appealing aspects of Croquis houseplans is the spacious interiors. These designs prioritize comfort, allowing you to create inviting spaces that feel open and airy. The clever use of both vertical and horizontal elements in the architecture adds depth and character to the facades. This playfulness not only enhances the visual appeal but also contributes to a dynamic living environment. Natural light is another key feature of these plans. Large windows and thoughtfully placed openings invite sunlight to flood the interiors, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Imagine waking up in a sunlit living room where the light dances across the walls, energizing your day. This emphasis on light not only elevates the mood, but also makes the spaces feel larger and more connected to the outdoors. Color combinations play a significant role in the overall feel of a home. Croquis designs offer a variety of palettes to suit every preference, whether you lean towards bold, vibrant hues or prefer soft, muted tones. The right colors can transform a space, making it feel cozy or expansive, depending on your vision. It's all about finding that perfect balance that resonates with your personal style. Moreover, these one-level designs maximize interior spaces in a way that encourages versatility. Open floor plans allow for easy movement and interaction, whether you're entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening at home. The layout can adapt to your lifestyle, making it easy to rearrange furniture or even repurpose rooms as your needs change over time. Comfort is at the heart of Croquis houseplans. The thoughtful design ensures that every inch of space is utilized effectively, creating areas that are not only functional but also inviting. Whether it's a cozy reading nook bathed in sunlight or a spacious kitchen where family and friends gather, these designs foster a sense of belonging and ease. Incorporating elements of nature into the design is another hallmark of Croquis plans. By blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces, these homes create a refreshing environment that promotes relaxation and well-being. Imagine stepping out onto a patio that seamlessly connects to your living area, where you can enjoy a morning coffee surrounded by greenery. Ultimately, the Croquis houseplans offer a unique blend of modern and classic design elements, spacious interiors, and a focus on light and comfort. They cater to diverse tastes while ensuring that every homeowner can find a design that feels just right. Whether you're looking for a tranquil retreat or a vibrant space for entertaining, these one-level floor plans provide the perfect foundation for a fulfilling lifestyle.